the Smart Money Safe Stop 2 indicator, which is offered for various platforms, on the TradingFinder website. From this section, you can access the indicator on the TradingView website. Additionally, traders can refer to this page to understand how the indicator works and operates. To access the indicator on the TradingView website, search for the indicator's name in the Indicators section and click on the indicator to run it on the chart. For quicker and easier access to the indicator, activate the Add to Favorite option and add the indicator to your favorites in TradingView. With the execution of the Smart Money Setup Safe 2 indicator, it begins to identify suitable trading positions on the price chart using smart money concepts and displays bullish and bearish setups to traders. It also identifies the origin order block, which it presents to traders with a rectangle, and if the price reaches it, traders can enter a sell or buy trade in the market. The way the indicator works is based on reliably identifying the trend and price movement. For example, here the price has been forming lower highs and lows and has taken a downward trend. After that, we had a price correction upwards, which formed a channel for us. If the price returns downwards and continues the trend, if it breaks our high or low in the trend, we see that the price comes down, and if it returns upwards again, a setup is formed for us. After that, the indicator identifies the break of highs and lows and draws the order block area for traders. Traders, after identifying the order block area, can wait for the price to reach this area. Once the price reaches the order block area, they can enter a buy or sell trade in the market. Here, we see that the price has reacted and moved downwards from this section. In the Settings section, under the Input part, there are options available for us. In the first part, we can set the pivot period, which is set to the default value of 2. The more we increase this value, the more it identifies long-term trend pivots, and the less we set this value, the more it identifies short-term trend pivots. In the next section, we can enable or disable the display of bullish or bearish patterns. We can change the color of the bullish and bearish patterns to our desired color, and finally, we can select the theme mode in this section, where the options of off, light, and dark are available. Well, friends, we have reached the end of the tutorial for this indicator. We would be happy if you share your comments and suggestions with us in the comments section.